Hello, my name is Conneally and I'm delighted to represent our Eurocrew members as the Director of Member Services and Development. I lecture in Hospitality and Tourism Business Management at Sheffield Hallam University in the United Kingdom, and I have been affiliated with the Eurocrew for almost 10 years now, attending many wonderful conferences, dressing up for gala dinners, and holding the post the last 2 years of area consultant for the UK. So I wanted to take the opportunity to outline some of the many wonderful benefits that are associated with becoming a Eurocrew member. We are very big on networking, and indeed we tag ourselves as the Eurocrew family. And what we mean by this really is that we take care of and we nourish and nurture our individual members, ensuring that they are welcomed into everything that we do, anything from attendance at conferences to online activities that we roll out. Becoming a member also allows you to build networks, networking from an industry perspective and also from an academic perspective. We hold a really fantastic webinar series whereby our members can meet with other like-minded individuals and discuss and share and indeed debate the topics of the moment. We provide fantastic online resources. So some of these include access to our e-journals, so the Journal of Hospitality and Tourism Education, as well as the Journal of Hospitality and Tourism Research. There are also many opportunities for our members to advertise and market specifics on our website. So, for example, some of our premium institutes, they have advertised vacancies at their organisation and as a result recruited very successful individuals into their organisation. We also love to get our students involved. So we run workshops as well as collaborations so that students from different institutes can engage in competitions and indeed collaborate amongst themselves. So again, if you please visit our website, you can see the many wonderful opportunities that are available there to you. So these are the various membership categories that our individuals can sign up to and the fees associated with those. There's an array of information again on our website in relation to the offerings of each of these categories, and we do hope that individuals that are signing up from emerging countries and emerging markets find the individual fee of $25 affordable. As you can see from this particular slide, our membership spans across 25 countries, whereby we have a total of 300 members. And as you can imagine, that brings with it an array of diversity, experiences, expertise, practitioners, and lots of opportunities for individuals to collaborate together and to really discuss the hospitality, tourism, and events industry in great depth. So if you have any questions at all, please do not hesitate to contact me on a.conneally@shu.ac.uk, And or you can also contact our Eurocree Federation Administrator, Ray Shacklock, at admin@eurocree.org. So we are very happy at all stages to hear from our members in relation to any updates, insights, anything you would like us to address, to perhaps think about changing, and also very excited to speak with potential members that are also thinking about signing up with us. Thank you.